Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share my experience flying with Vietjet from Narita to Hanoi and then to Bali. Starting off at Narita Airport, the excitement for the journey ahead was palpable. The check-in process with Vietjet was smooth, and despite some initial concerns about seat size, I was pleasantly surprised by the overall comfort. Now, let's talk about those seats. Yes, they were small, but honestly, it wasn't as bad as I expected. With some strategic positioning and a positive mindset, I managed to make myself quite comfortable for the duration of the flight. Touching down in Hanoi was a highlight of the journey. The vibrant atmosphere and rich cultural heritage of the city were truly captivating, making the layover a memorable part of the trip.
You've been waiting for, and you said at least this is what you want. If you do love me, you'll be hanging on.
Although there was no complimentary food service on board, I came prepared with my own snacks, so it wasn't a big issue for me. The flight attendants were always available to assist with any requests, adding to the overall pleasant experience.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long.
And finally, arriving in Bali felt like stepping into paradise. Despite the minor inconveniences along the way, the breathtaking beauty of the island more than made up for it.
Stood there smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It's true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It's true.
In conclusion, flying with Vietjet was a positive experience overall. While the seats may be small, they're manageable, especially considering the affordability of the tickets. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.